Hey guys, I'm Christopher, and I just got done with a great big paint project. And I did my best to cover the floors, maybe like you, but I still have some paint that got onto my hardwood floors, so now I need to get rid of it. Let's talk about how. It is most likely that you're working with latex paint. That is specifically what I'm talking about today. Say you're painting the inside of a closet or a room or something like that. Mineral spirits. Low odor mineral spirits. That's what you want. It is cheap, it is easy to work with, and it will not ruin your floor. This is also great to thin out your paint. I think it even specifically talks about that. Thins oil-based paints, stains, and varnishes. So yes, this will also work with oil paint removal, although latex, great. Enough talking, let's go take a look. Alright, this particular smudge is 1 day old. It is dried to the touch, it's not going anywhere. I'm gonna saturate my rag, it's just an old t-shirt. Get going. Got some circular motion, back and forth, a little bit into the grain of the wood. The stuff that got down there pretty deep can take a little bit of elbow grease. Maybe a long nail if you've got one. I wouldn't recommend using a scraper on hardwood floors, but it does the job. But Christopher, what about really old paint splatter, I hear you asking? Well, to that point, I have some 8-year-old teal paint that splattered on the floor, and I've just looked past it, and it's out of my brain for the last 8 years. Let's see if that comes out. This was really easy to be lazy about and ignore, because it's behind the door to our master bedroom. So, 8 years. 8 years it's been on there. It takes a little bit more effort, but it's coming right out. Definitely need to keep applying. You know, the stuff evaporates pretty readily. There's some old white paint from probably the floor trim. That's taken a little bit more effort. Let's focus on the green stuff. The white paint I can feel is a little bit more raised as opposed to the teal. So I'll have to come back at that maybe with a plastic spatula. Oh yeah, that's satisfying. That's 8 years of, oh, I'll get to it, coming right out. So that's it, mineral spirits and a rag. If you have good experience with other things like rubbing alcohol or heat or something a little bit stronger, sound off in the comments below to help other people out. Again, this is going to be the most common, easiest way for most indoor paint removal on hardware floors. Thanks for watching. I'm renovating my master bedroom and a whole bunch of other projects. If you're interested in that kind of work, I've got a playlist, links in the description, and card, and all that jazz. See you next time. Bye.